My dear children, in this module, I had given some solutions with the algorithms. You need to try to write programs using functions concept. The first solution is for dividing the first number with the second number. You can define a function with a function name called divide. You have to pass two values. The first value must be divided with the second value. In this function, there is no need of return statement, so that you can easily print the result within the function itself. This is the second solution for finding the kilometers by getting the meters. The user will give the distance in kilometers. You need to convert it into meters. Only thing, you should have to multiply with 1000. Here, you need to pass a value as a distance, and the function should return a value to the call, so that the calling statement either you can assign in the print or you can give to a variable, then you can print. I'll repeat, the function should return a value, so that it has to be used either using a variable or in a print statement during calling the function. This is the third solution. To find the average of 5 numbers. My dear children, here you need to apply the default values for the last 3 values. You can give according to your desire. The only thing, you need to call the function at first by giving the 5 values, then 4, then 2, then 1, so that the function should have default arguments. The first call should include all the 5 arguments. The last call should include only 3 arguments for the first 3 parameters. My dear children, this is also a worksheet for today's session. Try these programs in your note, also in the Pridroid app, and send me the screenshot of your outputs. Thank you.